Okay, so this is kind of fun and interesting. So let me jump into the construction training. So this is almost like you could almost shoot street photography. It's actually pretty cool. So I could get all three of them in. I could frame it like this. I could look around, shoot a vertical picture like this. And then I could jump around, which is the really cool thing. So maybe this could be like Pokemon Snap version 2.0. So imagine if you even shot photos like this. And shooting layers like this to not overlay is uber interesting. Yeah, even I could demonstrate here, right? Is you got the head here, the dude there, the dude there, the dude there, the thing is back here. So you could somehow create some sort of composition between all these subjects. Whoa. Currently a brave new world, man. Shoot it like this. Shoot a photo of him like this. See him in a different room. Should frame it like this, like that. Frame it like this. It's getting pretty nutty. It's an exciting, brave new world for photography. Even if I just wanted to photograph just that. Ooh. Ooh. Or even if I try to show, so this is pointing that way, right? It's going that way. So the camera, it's kind of like, this is a virtual frame. That's a good scene. Photograph that. Holy moly. In a brave new world, you guys. Even something I find interesting, right, is you could zoom out. And you can see that's you. And this is your perspective. So it kind of gives you this panopticon, is that like you're kind of, you could view yourself viewing something. This is blowing my mind, guys. Even what's the point of buying a Tesla Model S or a Tesla if you could just kind of play with it yourself, right? You could sketch it, play with it, and then even useful things you could do is you could sketch the designs in 3D to better perhaps understand the vibes. Maybe even play with it, right? You could make it however big or small you want. Ooh. So that's actually a super interesting concept, because imagine this is you, right? that's you looking. So this is your head. These are your eyes. And this is the direction in which you're looking. So that's the direction you look at. This is crazy. So let's say that's you looking at the thing. And let's say you want to practice photography. You can see wherever angles you want to practice it. You can photograph it from beneath. So you want to practice like a close-up. The sides. It totally changes the way I see physical reality. Even something like this, right? This is like a future UI. Looks like the guy is standing. He has access to all these things in front of him. It's kind of Minority Report status. Maybe this is something that's interesting. Oh, look. Here's you looking into the frame. Pretty cool. And we could even practice, right? It's like, what direction do we want to photograph this dude? Even be underneath him. Oh my god. Mind blown. Yeah, maybe even you could practice compositional elements. Dude walking this way. See, you got a lady crouching here. Even a person lying down here. You could think about how we might create a composition. This person here, this person here, this person here. Maybe even anyways. So you wanted to show how I could compose this scene. Typically, if you shoot head on, the composition is far more interesting. And imagine like that's the camera angle going this way. So you see your camera. Oh yeah, we could even better demonstrate how to frame this. Whoa. Oh yeah. Got our little purple Lamborghini. So cool. Oh yeah, this is actually pretty cool too, because you have a cockpit, right? And you can feel like you go inside the cockpit. Right? Feel like you're in it.